got a rod that was used to be his and got some worms from the local bait shop, and I'm teaching myself how to fish. I'm teaching myself how to cast, teaching myself how to hook a worm, bait a worm, know when to reel in the fish, because sometimes even a fish nibbles doesn't mean it's always going to be a catch. Come right off. But that is what a worm should look like on when you hook it, just like that. With this Zepco, you swing it out, and then once you want to let it cast, you press this button right here. So you go, and then there you go. Oh, I caught one, but it fell back in the water. Just caught me beautiful, beautiful bluegill. For some reason, the hook went through his stomach. I'm gonna throw him back in the water. It was a big, good sized fish. He swam away, but yeah, that was a weird catch because once I reeled him in, the hook was underneath his belly, and I've never hooked a fish like that before. And I'm glad he's okay. He was a little twitchy, but I got the hook out of him, and now he's okay. Brooks. Oh, that's a beauty. So, caught another bluegill. However, this is a nice one. Hopefully he didn't swallow the hook. Stop. The more you move, the longer it's going to take. He cut me.
Are you bleeding?
Yeah, I'm bleeding. He cut me. Hey.
This is where I saw the bass.
Yeah, I saw one swimming upstream.
Okay?
Mm-hmm. Some air. Oh, there you go. Okay.
I didn't see no big fish.
Hey.
You want me to get him? Dad, where's the bass?
He swam up there underneath the tree. He jumped off. Whew, that was a fight. That bluegill would not want to come off the hook. Luckily, he got off the hook by himself. Yeah, I just had to push him off a little bit, and he started flopping, and then he came off the hook. But caught him over in this area. Just felt a little snug. I reeled him in. Still looking for that bass. That is what I'm looking for. Trying to get I'm really trying to get the bass before Brooks does, because that's what I really want. Oh, I see there's the minnows, aren't they?
No, these are a pack of bluegill.
This is gonna be fun. All right, let's start fishing again. Not really counting anything, not competing with Brooks or anything like that. We're just having fun, enjoying our time together on this beautiful Sunday. It is perfect. Yeah, so we're gonna go fishing back in that dark area. Oh, there's some bluegill over there. Yep, didn't catch anything on that one. So, I'm teaching myself how to fish. Brooks knows how to fish, but he didn't want to teach me how to fish. So right now, I'm just basically practicing casting, getting fish off the hook, knowing what kind of fish what kind of fish are fish, what type of fish. So Brooks just caught his bass.
It's right there.
Right there?
Look, you can see how there's little braids coming in.
Mm-hmm.
You can see how there's fish. One line goes. Want to watch him?
Yeah.
I
I mean, it just enjoying the water, having father and son moments. And if you do like these type of videos where it's just a father and son bonding moment, or outdoor videos, help us, support us by subscribing, commenting about what do you like to do family time, what do you like to do outdoors, like our video. Yeah, I've just been literally training myself, teaching myself how to fish. So far I've caught like 8 fish